Good evening and welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today you will talk about going to the hairdressers. Please listen carefully and answer in full sentences. Don't worry, just speak clearly and try your best. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. Do you go to the hairdresser?
Yes, I go to the hairdresser.
How often do you go to the hairdresser?
I go to the hairdresser once a month.
Who take you to the hairdresser?
My mother take me to the hairdresser.
Where is the hairdresser near your house?
The hairdresser is near my house.
What do you do at the hairdresser?
I cut my hair at the hairdresser.
Do you like going to the hairdresser?
Yes, I like going to the hairdresser.
How do you feel after getting a haircut?
I feel happy and fresh after haircut.
How long does it take to cut your hair?
I take about 1 hour to haircut.
When did you last go to the hairdresser?
I last went to the hairdresser last week.
Why is it important to cut your hair?
It is important to cut my hair because it is clean and neat.
Well done, you did a great job today. Thank you for your speaking clearly and try your best. This is the end of your speaking test. Keep practice your English and have a nice day.
Yes.